Hey guys. Well, I think you're going to really like today's lesson. This is like one of my favorite things, and you know I do it all the time. Working backwards. A lot of times, especially with that park countdown thing that we gave you, which is driving me insane because I think it's really hard. But you guys are doing a great job with it, and I love how you have not stopped with that. And you always ask questions when you need it, and I really think that's great. So we were doing a problem on Zoom the other day, and I said, you know what, I'm just going to give you the answer, and then we're going to work backwards. Because sometimes you just need the answer in order to figure out, well, what do I do? So today's lesson is all about working backwards. So let's get into the bizarro math and let's start working. All right, here we go. Problem solving, work backward. This is a first for me. So if I mess up a lot, you're welcome. You have a lot to laugh at today. Okay, here we go. You know how I am. I lose. Oh, okay. We're going. We're doing it. How can I use operations to model real world fractions? Okay. Use each of the numbers 3, 5, 6, and 10 once. Write two fractions that are equivalent. Oh, psh, psh. This will take about 2 seconds. So I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to work on this. Okay. Are we ready? Let's do it. Here we go. So the first thing that we have is 3/6, 5/10. Done. And you did not have to, I would want you to just do that, you know, with what you're doing and not draw the stupid picture. The picture. Did I say stupid? I did not say stupid. Okay, I did. Quick check. We're going to skip through it because we really need to get into today's lesson. So, let's go. Let's go. Learn the strategy. All right. Nathan used some flour, see, for a cake recipe. He used 1/4 of the bag of flour for a bread recipe. There is 2/4 of the bag left. What fraction of the bag did Nathan use for the cake? Nathan used some flour for a cake recipe, and we know that it is 1/4 of the bag for a bread recipe. He has 2/4 of the bag left. Find the fraction of the bag of flour that was used for the cake. Cake. Let's make sure I'm right, because I don't always get these things right. Okay, phew. I'll work backward to solve the problem. Okay, sounds like a plan, guys. All right. So, we know that 4/4 is how much we're putting it into fourths. So we know that it's 1/4, whoops, plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, right? So, sorry. So let's bring it down and let's figure out. He used 1/4 for bread and he has 2/4 left over. What fraction of the bag did he use for his cake? I'm going to say 1/4. Yes. So 1/4. That was easy. That was a little too easy. It made me a little nervous. Okay. So then they want us to check our answer. Does it make sense? Honestly, I am not going to ask you to check your answer and explain that. That's a little. I get why they're saying it. The stinking park thing. They would say, I said stinking. The in that they would ask you to explain that. Now, you could explain it, whether or not your answer makes sense. You would say, my answer made sense because I know that 2/4 plus 1/4 is 3/4, and 1 whole is equal to 4/4, and 4/4 minus 3/4 is 1/4. Woof! It made me tired just even explaining that. But that's what they would want you to explain. Okay? So I'm just being straight with you guys. All right? And see, that's exactly what they just kind of did here. Okay. Let me just take a look. Okay, so yeah, we're going to do this one together and then you're on your own. So it says Lily, Noah, and Kaylee are sharing a pizza. Noah ate 2/6 of the pizza. Kaylee ate 1/6 of the pizza, and there's 2/6 left. What fraction of the pizza did Lily eat? So, what facts do you know? So, we know that Noah ate 2/6. We know that Kaylee ate 1/6. And we know that there are 2/6 left. What do we need to find? We want to know how much. Oops. Oh, I hate when it does that. Hold on. We want to find. Oops. Sorry. How. Here. I'm just going to make it easy on myself. Here you go. How much Lily ate. Okay, that's what we're looking for. So if you haven't copied this into your book, please do that now. And I'm on page 588. So I'm going to give you a second to copy that down. Okay, so let's plan it. So the plan in my book, this is what it says. I will work backwards to solve the problem. All right, great. So we're going to solve it. So basically, it's like this. They kind of did it like this in my book, and I'll show you. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we know that Noah ate 2/6. We know Kaylee ate 2/6. This is how much is left. So what fraction did Lily eat? And we're going to have to put her name in there. Lily. So we know that Lily ate 1/6. Okay, and I'm going to show you. See? Now what they did was here, you know how I kind of named it. Oops. I named it. So I was like, oh, this is Noah. This is Kaylee. This is how much is in the, I'm going to put that left in the box. And then this is what's left over, and that's Lily. Okay, so she ate 1/6 of the pizza. And then they ask us to check. Does it make sense? Does it make sense what you did? Did you basically they want you to say, well, they said there were 6 pieces of pizza. Did I account for all 6 pieces? Let me tell you something. If there's pizza in front of me, I'm accounting for all pieces of pizza. If there's too much gone, I'm going to walk around my house and say, how many did you have? How many did you have? How many did you have? Because, you know, I love pizza. So that's what they're saying here. So pretend you're going to go around, every problem is a piece of pizza, and you're going to go around and you're going to ask everyone in your family. Make sure that you get it all accounted for. That's what they're saying. Okay? Here's what they said. See this? Oops. What am I doing? I went to the wrong thing. Hold on, let me find it. Practice to strategy. Here we go. All right. I'm going to get it right this time, guys. See, I told you I'm going to mess up all the time. See this 1 here? I can't circle it. It won't let me. but the 1 is the same as 6 over 6. Whenever you have the same number on the top as you do on the bottom, it's equal to 1. When your numerator and your denominator are the same, let's say, no, are the same number, that's equal to 1 whole. Remember, fractions are a part of the number, they're not a whole, they're a part. It's like having a piece of a candy bar. If you cut it into 6 pieces and you eat all 6 pieces, then you ate the whole thing, right? You ate one, not 6 candy bars, you ate 1 candy bar. Okay, apply the strategy. So here you are. So you're going to go ahead and go on to, you're going to go up, you're going to do from numbers 1, it's doing it, 1 to 6, okay? 1 to 6, all right? And I will Zoom you later. Okay, see ya, bye.